In this lecture, you will master the concept of different forms of straight line. Intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Distance form, that is x minus x1 cos theta is equal to y minus y1 sin theta is equal to plus minus r. And we will see the circumstances when to go for which form.
The very basic form or the standard form of straight line is taken as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We will be taking the straight line in that fashion all the time now onwards. Okay, so slope of this line can be easily found out as minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So that is coming out to be minus a by b. So you can easily find the slope of a line. Suppose a line is given as 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. What will be the slope of that line? It will be minus coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is 2. Not, it's not 2, it is minus 2. So it is coming out to be 3 by 2. So we can find the slope of this line very easily. Now we will see different forms of straight line. Earlier we have gone for the basic 1 point slope form, 2 point forms and y is equal to mx plus c form. Now we will see special forms. Okay. One of that special form is intercept form. If we know that a line is making an intercept of a on x-axis and b on y-axis, we can straightforward write the equation of straight line as x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is intercept form. How can we make use of that? We can easily find the intercepts if somehow we represent the straight line in the form like this. Suppose a line is like that, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. If we are representing this line in that format, we will directly get the intercept. So on dividing with 6 both the sides, why? Because we have to make the RHS as 1. So it will be in the form of x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. We can easily say that intercept made by this line on x-axis is 3 and on y-axis is 2. That is very, very important form. Once we know the slope, once we know the intercepts, we can form the equation. Another form you just see, if a line is in such a way that length of perpendicular from the origin to a line is of length p and it is making an angle alpha with x-axis, then the line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So wherever you see that an origin is there and a perpendicular has been dropped from origin to the given line whose equation we are interested in is p, and that perpendicular is making an angle of alpha with the x-axis, we can write the equation in that form very easily. Another form we will see is, that is very important form, x minus x1 by cos alpha is equal to y minus y1 by sin alpha is equal to r. You can take r plus minus r. Just see what is the relevance of that form. This is in this fashion. If a line is there and there is a point on the line, that means along the line, which is x1 comma y1, and the distance from the given point is r, and the slope of that line is tan alpha. If the slope is tan alpha, we can easily get the value of sin alpha and cos alpha. How it is important? Just telling you, if we have to find a point on the line, along the line, at a distance of r from a given point, we can get it. I see x is going to be r cos alpha plus x1 and y is going to be r sin alpha plus y1. Okay, you can take plus minus r. Why? It can be either side. Okay, so if we have to find a point on a line, suppose we have to find a point on the line, a point is given 3, 5 and the slope of the line is tan theta is equal to 1 and we have to find a point at a distance of 3 from the given point. What is the slope? I said you slope is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 45 degree. How we will proceed? We can find this point as x is equal to, we saw here r cos alpha. R is what? 3. Cos alpha. Alpha is 45 degree because slope is 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degree. So that is r cos 45 degree plus x1. X1 is what? 3 here. And the y coordinate we can find as r sin alpha 3 sin 45 degree plus 5. So how easy it is making our life if some point is given and we have to find another point along that line only at some distance very easily. That is very important tool. Just be conversant with this form of line. You will find coordinate geometry very easy. Hope different forms are clear to you. Thank you.